Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to share with you guys few recipes for detox drinks. Yes guys, detox drink is kind of infused water which helps you lose weight, and it has so many benefits that we'll be discussing at the end of this video. Also make sure to watch this video till the end to know all the benefits of detox water, how to prepare them, when to prepare them, till what time can you keep it, and every other detail about these drinks. And also these are not just the normal water, these drinks are better than water, they taste yummier, and you can definitely try on them, sip on them throughout the day to keep yourself healthier and to inculcate more nutrients in your diet. And these are ideal for summer season. So yes guys, if you would want to know how to prepare these detox water at home very easily, like in literally no time, then please keep on watching the video till the end. Guys, these were all the detox water recipes. I do have few more with me, so do let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to share more detox water drink recipes with you guys. I would love to do that. Like this video for a part 2 of this video. And now coming back to the benefits of these detox drinks. Firstly, they are extremely helpful in reducing your weight. Secondly, this helps in increasing your water consumption. So if you're someone like me who really struggles in drinking water throughout the day, this helps in increasing the water consumption. It reduces your cravings, so any cravings, mostly sweet tooth cravings, if you have any, it helps in reducing those cravings. It detoxifies your body. It is amazing for your digestive system. It improves your digestive health. If at all you're having any issues related to digestive system, you should definitely try drinking these water. This also helps in reducing stress. It is again good for liver. It also cures gas and acidity. So if you are someone who faces these problems, it would be amazing for you. It is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, and it is supremely amazing for your oral health as well. So guys, these water work like a miracle for your body, and it is gonna benefit you in all sectors possible. One benefit that I really missed out on this, and we should not forget, is it also helps you in getting clearer skin. Yes guys, water, as we know, helps in getting glowing skin, but this water majorly, because has so many more nutrients, will help you give clearer and glowing skin this summer season. Now, a few things that you really need to remember while preparing these detox water at home is that I used matke wala thanda pani for preparing these detox water at home. You can use any water that you would prefer. Preferably try use cold water. Don't go with hot water. Hot water is a big no-no for detox water. So don't take hot water or even lukewarm water. Try taking normal water or cold water in this case. You do not have to go too overboard with the cold temperature of water. It should be just normal, the drinking water, and you have to make sure to keep this at a cool place. So even while you store it, it should be at a cool place, either in refrigerator, or even if you are keeping it outside, it should not be in the presence of sunlight. So for how long can you infuse it, or how long it takes to get infused? So I prepare it at around 7 in the morning, and then I place it in my refrigerator or at a cool place. and then after 2 to 3 hours you can start using it. So say for about at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. after that you can start drinking from it. You can use this water or drink from this water up to 1 p.m. After that it might start getting bland, or it might go bad, and we do not want that. So yes, if you are preparing the water at 7 a.m. you can use it up till 1 to 2 p.m., not more than that. If you really want to still keep on drinking after that, you can again prepare it once again at around 1 p.m. 2 p.m. You can definitely go ahead and eat the veggies and fruits that you have used in these infused water. They are perfectly fine to be eaten, but make sure to not eat them after some very long amount of hours. If you're preparing these infused water at night, you can keep them in refrigerator or store them at a cool place and start sipping from them in the morning. The only problem is if you keep it overnight, the veggies might get bland to eat, so don't go ahead and eat them if you're keeping it throughout the night. And also make sure if the veggies are getting sour, you have to discard that water, because the veggies and fruits might have started fermenting, which we do not want, and the water has started going bad. So if at all they get sour or taste bad, you can throw away that water. Last but definitely not the least, this is a summer drink and it is ideal to be sipped on during summers. So it will work really well if you are drinking through these during summer. So guys, that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below, how did you like today's video? Give this video a big thumbs up for a part 2 of this video. If you would want me to share more such detox drinks with you guys, I would love to do that. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.